welcome back to another video. I am working on some things in the shed. I already did a video about the resin cups, or maybe that will be after this video, who knows. Right now, right now I'm pumping, but I got the kids in here. I got a whole bunch of other stuff. I don't know if you'll see some sneak peeks of projects in here that I have lying around, but my friend gave me his hunting vest, or it's Josh's best friend, my husband's best friend, and he wants his name on here and our hunting club name on the back. And I was so excited because the whole point of this is to, like, for people to see you, and you wear it going into the woods and coming out. And at night, I thought it would be cool to put reflective vinyl on here. So I have reflective HTV, and I'm going to put it onto these shirts or onto this, and hopefully he likes it. And I already sent him the font, and he said it was good. He liked the font. So that's what we're going to do today. I am going to connect my computer, pull up the design, cut it out, or mirror it and cut it out on the Cricut, and, you know, heat it onto here. So far, oh, it says do not iron on this, but I think it'll be fine, to be honest. It's 100% polyester, but, like, I've worked with polyester shirts and, like, heat presses and stuff, and I don't think it'll be that much of a big deal. I just won't put it all the way up on the heat setting. It should be fine. So we'll deal with that when we get to it, but I'm pretty sure everything will be fine. So let's get on with that.
I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open